The Baguio City Police says security measures are in place to ensure the safety of tourists and other visitors flocking to summer capital for the Holy Week and summer vacation. Jonathan Llanes filed this report.
The summer capital's finest have intensified its preparations for the tourist arrivals that have started to trek to this highland resort in time for the Lenten break. Baguio City Police Office OIC Chief of Police Senior Superintendent Rolando Miranda ensured that close to 600 of its manpower are now on alert to ensure the delivery of assistance to the expected millions of tourists that are and will be coming to this city. This aside from the additional workforce coming from the Police Regional Office Cordillera and the various local volunteers that form part of the summer vacation or SUMVAC 2014. Security measures will start this weekend in the different bus terminals that are expected to be filled with tourists coming from the lowlands.
On Saturday, this coming Saturday, magsisimula na ako mag-inspect tsaka kasama ko yung mga station commander and my staff here to inspect the bus terminals dito sa Baguio City. So to ensure na yung mga umaakit na ng as early as Saturday na akit na rito ay mabibigyan natin ng sense of protection na mapagkita pa lang nila na may police presence doon, may ginagawa meron na kagad silang mararamdaman na we are protected, we are safe here in Baguio, we are here to enjoy, parang ganong feeling.
The senior superintendent is set to coordinate with the local government for program measures that will assist tourists in their visit to the country's summer capital. This, he said, will lessen some burden from the visitors during their observance of the Lenten week.
Kumbaga ay tulong-tulong ang ating police at ang community at ang volunteer groups at ang City Hall ng Baguio. So, naka-full alert kami niyan, ang BCPO. So, maximum deployment tayo dito sa kalye. And expectedly, magkakaroon tayo ng konting problema sa traffic,
Yes.
Dahil yung influx ng mga volume ng vehicle, dadagsa dito. But I was thinking na yung ating color coding natin dito, I will suggest to the Traffic and Transport Management Committee ng City Hall para i-lift natin during the SUMVAC para naman makapag-enjoy yung ating lahat ng mga bisita na darating dito without worrying about being apprehended sa mga color coding schemes natin dito.
From the city of Baguio and for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.